This is how my daughter's hair was before I started using this ingredient, and I am really shocked with her hair growth now. You can see this is how her hair look right now. It is very long, very healthy, and I am so impressed. So I just decided today to share with you some amazing tips in which I use to grow her hair. So stay tuned, I'll be right back. Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Bibi. Thank you all so much for tuning in, and for my old subscribers, thank you for coming back to watch my videos. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you this one ingredient in which I use to grow my daughter's hair. I always use aloe vera on my daughter's hair, but I later found out that aloe vera is a little bit difficult for me to get, and it's also very expensive. So I discovered this one ingredient which is very cheap and very economical. So I decided to start using it on my daughter's hair, and it works very well. The only thing I want to say is, before you start or before you introduce any ingredient on your child's hair, you have to first of all test it to be sure it is not sensitive to her scalp, or she's not allergic to it. Some children are allergic to certain things, like even the aloe vera I use. Some children are allergic to aloe vera, some not. So you have to be very careful what you use on your child's hair. Make sure you test it first to be sure, then you can use it or you can apply it. This one ingredient, I use it in three ways. I use it as a detangler, I use it as a pre-poo, and I as well use it as a gel to style her hair. And I don't mostly use it as a gel to style her hair. I mostly use it as a pre-poo and a detangler, and it works perfectly well for her. I'm going to be showing you how I prepare this ingredient, but before that, I'm just showing you how I apply it to her hair, section by section, and then I comb it with a white tooth comb very gently, and making sure that all the tangles are out. After I'm done, I will then twist each of the sections of the hair, and I'll cover her hair with a plastic bag and a shower cap and leave it to sit for some time. Then I rinse it, and then I shampoo her hair very well. I'm done with her hair now. I'll just cover it with a plastic bag, and then I'll also cover it with a shower cap, and then I'll leave it to sit for at least 30 to 45 minutes. I'm done with her hair now. I'll just go ahead and show you how to prepare your flaxseed gel. And as I'm preparing it, I'll be explaining to you some of the benefits of flaxseed gel on our hair. Flaxseed gel helps hair grow faster and longer. It nourishes the hair follicles. It also makes the hair shining and soft. And before you start using flaxseed gel, I'll advise you track your hair growth before and after using the gel to see the difference. Thank you all so much. If you have watched up to this extent, thank you. And I'll also say that make sure you strain your gel as it is hot, because if you leave it, you will not be able to strain it again. It will be very difficult for you to strain it. Always make sure you strain it when it is still hot, so that you easily come out. Thank you again, and I would love to see you all again in my next video. Bye bye.